Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a creative product that combines art and practicality, the Ctosree Diamond Art Notebooks. We found this product online and added the link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these Diamond Art Notebooks? They are DIY mandala painting kits designed for both adults and teens. Each set comes with 4 beautifully colored notebooks, allowing you to express your creativity while also serving as functional journals. The notebooks measure about 8.3 by 5.5 inches, making them the perfect size to lay flat for writing or painting. Made from durable paper and faux leather, they are designed to withstand daily use without breaking, deforming, or fading. One of the standout features of this kit is the wide selection of colors. Each notebook is not just a blank canvas but an invitation to fill it with your artistic touch. The set also includes a handy toolkit, allowing you to easily apply the diamond gems to create stunning designs. This feature is especially appealing for those who enjoy DIY crafts, as it lets you personalize your notebooks while enhancing your imagination and creativity. Now, who is this product suitable for? The Ctosree Diamond Art Notebooks are perfect for anyone who loves to doodle, journal, or engage in creative hobbies. Whether you're a beginner or someone who has experience with diamond painting, these notebooks cater to all skill levels. They can be a delightful addition for students, professionals, or anyone looking for a relaxing way to unwind. In terms of practical use cases, these notebooks can serve multiple purposes. Once you finish your diamond painting, they can be used as traditional notebooks, diaries, accounting books, or even drawing pads. They are great for office use, studio work, or simply as decorative items on your desk. This versatility makes them an excellent tool for anyone looking to learn or improve their drawing skills while enjoying a creative outlet. Finally, these diamond painting notebooks make for a thoughtful gift for various occasions. Whether it's a birthday, graduation, or just a surprise for a loved one, they're sure to bring joy to DIY enthusiasts. Giving such a unique gift not only shows your thoughtfulness but also encourages others to explore their artistic side. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.